Note that users cannot view the File Email tab when on the Compose New Email screen. When composing new emails, users can only create a time entry within the TimeSelf add-in for Outlook. To file emails and matter-specific folders, you're going to need to go ahead into the File Email tab from the Outlook TimeSelf add-in screen. So I'm going to click on the email and click on TimeSelf Time Entry Add-in and click on the File Email tab. Now, users will see one of 3 different types of scenarios under the File Email tab, and I'm going to walk you through each type. So, this scenario shows a selected email that is not already filed against a client a matter, and the email address does not match any billing contact of a matter. You will need to specify the relevant matter and you will then need to choose either to file the email, which will create a hierarchy of folders within your Outlook account if not already created during a previous email filing, and it will move the selected email to the matter folder. The created folders will appear as a TimeSelf folder, then the client name, and then the matter name, and the email will fall within that. Otherwise, you could file the conversation. This will move the selected email message and all the email messages from this conversation found in inbox and sent items folders to the matter folder. So I'm going to go ahead and file the email. And let's see here. We now have the TimeSelf folder, the client folder, and the matter folder, and we have the email shown here. Now, as a second example, we're going to show you the scenario in which the selected email is not already filed against the client or matter, but the email address is matching a billing contact of one or more matters. So let's go ahead and open this email up. Click on the add-in and click on File Email tab. If there is more than one matter matching the billing contact email address, TimeSelf will display a list of these matters, and the first matched matter will be pre-populated into the Select Matter input field. And we can see here that this email address is being matched to this client and this matter. And we're going to go ahead and again either file the email or file the entire conversation, and I'm going to click on File Conversation this time. And we can see now that we have under the TimeSelf folder we have this client and we have this matter, and the email's been filed here. Now let's move on to the third scenario that you might see under the File Email tab. The third and final scenario that you might see would be that the selected email is already filed against a client and matter. So for an already filed email, the client and matter name will be displayed, allowing the user to file remaining unfiled emails within the conversation. And you can see from this button here, file all emails in this conversation will file any additional responses between yourself and the client.